Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the Silicon Ex for MT4 and MT5 by Nadiya Mirosh. And before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and you can get it for free, completely free, by using the link in the description below. So be sure you check it out, it's actually worth it. And heading over to the expert advisor of today, which is the Silicon X. This bot markets itself as your reliable automated partner in Forex, especially in volatile pairs like gold. And the developer shows some truly eye-popping backtests with millions in profits and super high win rates. But like always, I ran my own test on recent data to see what it actually does in real market conditions. So stick around, we're going to break it all down honestly. So let's have the walkthrough of this strategy. The developer says the EA is built to analyze all key market data, including the opening price, high, low, close, and volume, to accurately determine the current trend. And on top of that, it uses channel analysis with adjustable number of bars and deviation width, plus volatility corrections to help it adapt to different market conditions. And it generates automated buy and sell signals based on these trend and channel calculations. There are volatility weighted filters and flat market detection and bands to supposedly avoid bad entries in choppy conditions. And once in a trade, this bot relies on intelligent risk management as marketed, and an effective trailing stop to protect profits and let winners run when the price moves in your favor. And the whole idea is that it combines real-time market analysis with flexible parameters, so it can work across different pairs and timelines and time frames. But it clearly loves high volatility instrument, and gold is the number one. They describe it as stable, reliable, and easy to use, even if you are not a coding expert, in quote. And we have some features and settings that they marketed here. We've talked about some of them, but the main one is the money management filter, which you can adjust, and you can also use this money management with either fixed lots or percent based risk. And you've got trend analysis bars, you have channel parameters, maximum orders limits, exponential stretching for position sizing, eclectic profit, stop loss levels in points, and trailing stop can be turned on with adjustable start and distance. There is also spread control, so it can skip trades when spreads blow out, and options like ECN mode, asynchronous trading, and all of that exist. So you can enable it on asynchronous markets. And they also mention multi-level protection. I think we've talked about this, but this is the usual copy. And here is an image of the bot in live action. You can see how it works. It basically holds trade for days. As you can see, it can hold trade for a couple of days. I mean, we have some trades being held for a week even from this image. And these are some backtest results from the developer. Backtesting from 1971 to 2024. That's a couple years in that. And history quality, of course, will be low, 46%. But we have some numbers here as advertised. And I'm going to compare all of these numbers because I had the opportunity to run my own backtest. And let's see how that went. I tested the Silicon X on XAUUSD on the 1 hour time frame from April 21st, 2025 to April 21st, 2026, and I had a full 100% modeling quality. So this is a sure backtest, and I did it on a $10,000 deposit and a 1:100 leverage. The equity curve stays relatively flat, and it then begins climbing with several small dips along the way, as you can see. And you can see handling pullbacks nicely in strong moves, but there are a couple of more noticeable drawdowns, especially one around early 2026 around here, and you can see this drawdown, and also here. And in these drawdowns, the EA gave back some profits before recovering, but it's a good thing it did recover at the end of the day. Overall, it closed with roughly $3,141 in profits for this backtest session, and that's about 31% gain. And profit factor came in at 3.07, max equity drawdown around 8%, and win rate around 74% across 46 trades that we open. Total trades 46, and win rate is 74%, as you can see. And when you compare this to the developers charts, they show tens of millions of profits from a $1,000 deposit, and profit factors of 20 to 36, and drawdowns under 8% on decades of data. You can see their own backtest was within a longer period, 1971 to 2024. That's quite a long time, and the difference is pretty stark. Those monster results are from very old tests that likely benefited from curve fitting, but when you look at the inputs that I use to run my own backtest, these are inputs that drive the behavior of this expert advisor. You can see that the exponential stretching, we have the exponential stretching. We also have step corrections, deviation levels, and count of series, trailing settings, as you can see. And all of these are just what's doing the most of the work majorly. The rest also help, but these are the major inputs. And the EA likes to enter on pullbacks. As you can see, on pullbacks, the EA will likely enter, and it holds position for days. I've talked about this already, and it really shines during strong trading breakouts on gold or on volatile pairs, but it can get chopped or see through corrections in ranging conditions. You can see this was a sell trade which was opened, and it held this losing position for days. So you need to be comfortable with seeing such scenarios happen. You can see this sell also, which ended up in a profit, but it held on for days. And that's just basically how the expert advisor works. Honestly, the thing is, this is an averaging style recovery system at heart. It performs extremely well in strong trends, but one nasty counter move can create temporary equity spikes that take time to recover, which is why it holds for days. And it's also quite sensitive to spreads and slippage, so you really need a raw spread ECN broker for best results. Profits and drawdowns can differ a lot depending on market conditions and the lot size or risk percentage that you choose, and also the inputs which you set on here for the expert advisor. The EA is actually for experienced prop or funded traders who understand recovery systems and have at least $10,000 in capital and can handle occasional equity dips without panicking. If you're a beginner, or you have a small account, or you trade on a high spread broker, you're probably better off looking elsewhere. And if this type of honest breakdown helped you, I want you to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next review, which we're going to be dropping in a couple of days. We have lots of EAs which you'll be interested in. Drop in the comments which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free robot with lots of indicators from the description below. It's a great starting point. And thank you for watching, and in the meantime, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video.